Michoacan Molcajete. Guys, so today we're gonna have a special dish. I came here a week ago, and this guy here, Mauricio, he prepared a special dish called molcajete.
Molcajete de
Molcajete,
Michoacán.
Michoacan. So, Mauricio, what we're gonna do today here? Tell us.
We are going to make a molcajete from scratch, all the way from scratch. We're going to show you behind the scenes how we create this special dish here at Los Tarascos directo from Morelia, Michoacán, Mexico.
See?
It's going to be an amazing experience to see how we create the molcajete.
From scratch,
From
guys.
scratch. Even peeling the cactus from scratch and making the salsa de molcajete from scratch.
See, for Brazilian people, so you've never seen people eating cactus, and it's common in Mexico, right?
Yes, it is. And like I said, we will show you how we prepare it, but there's other ways that you can eat cactus in Mexico. But here, the way we're going to show you today is how we prepare it in the molcajete,
See?
which it'll be an amazing experience to watch.
Yeah, and you know, guys, if you like this content, you gotta comment and share, because I want to see if you guys can try to make molcajete at home. So,
Yes.
Because they are going to teach you how to make a
How to
molcajete.
make a molcajete from
Yeah.
home.
So let's go. Let's have a look. Let's start this journey.
Let's have it.
Molcajete. Let's have it, guys. Take care. I'll see you.
We'll see you there.
See you there.
My name is Omar Garcia. This is Mauricio Garcia. We're gonna make a little molcajete for you guys so you can see the whole procedure of how we do the sauce, how we do the meats, the salsas, and the guacamole dip. So we're gonna start first with the vegetables, which is nopales, cactus in English, some type of onions, the whole onion. We have some avocados, tomatoes, and jalapenos for the salsa. The first thing we're gonna do is take and clean the nopales, the cactus. So we're gonna cut it.
Okay, this guy, obviously he's more expert than me. That's why he handles the knife. He's got the cactus peeling it. You gotta get all the splinters out of it. Otherwise, you know, it's not good to eat it with splinters. Cactus normally comes with splinters, and it also comes with a tuna that we don't have that here, but that's part of the cactus as well. All right, Omar, what you doing there?
Trying to get it clean so I can put it on the grill and get a good taste of Mexico here.
Of Michoacán, Mexico.
Yeah, definitely Michoacan.
100%, 100% Michoacán. Tarascos, efectivos.
So once we get it clean, we have to take it to the grill to get the flavor out.
Make it sweat, you know?
Trying to burn it a little bit.
Get a little more flavor to it, juice. You can cook cactus different ways.
So that's our cactus. We're gonna clean this table. So
Good, and
we finish that. We have our other vegetables, which I'm gonna work with in a minute. We have the chicken already. This is chicken breast.
breast.
Already cut it in a way so we can cook it on the grill. It takes
We got our
less.
shrimp.
So all of this is gonna go on the grill. We have our pork chop. This is a smoked pork chop. Then we have a regular pork chop, and then we have our steak.
Ribeye steak.
So
How many ounces is this ribeye?
this is gonna be 14 ounces, from 14 to 16 ounces. So we got a 8 ounce pork chop and another 8 in. Then we have this is gonna be like 12 ounces of chicken, and we have one skewer shrimp, which is a 21-25 size. So that's gonna go on the grill. Now on the sauce, we have to burn the jalapenos, tomatoes, and some onions. We're also gonna use garlic to it. So the way we burn it, we put it on the grill, let it burn, let it toast, and once it's like soft, we put it on the molcajete. Smush it, like kind of grind it and make the sauce. Okay, I'm gonna do a little dip of guacamole dip, and the best way to cut an avocado is to cut it on the middle. Open it and get the seed out. That's the avocado. This one's not too nice. We can get a different one. Get the bad part out. Now the avocados are from Michoacan. They're from. We're number one in the whole world producing avocados, and that's the Hass avocado. The avocado comes from a place called
Pátzcuaro.
and
San Ángel, Michoacán.
Michoacan. Yeah. Also, there's another state. Well, there's another state in Tabasco that have avocado, but not as good as the Michoacan
San
avocado.
Ángel, Michoacán has it.
Yeah.
Uruapan.
Uruapan is the main one. Uruapan is where they get all the avocados. The main.
This is how we make the molcajete sauce.
That's a great video.
So basically, you're gonna burn the tomatoes, making soggy, and the jalapenos. Let's not take this off. Make sure our meat doesn't get too dry. Follow through that.
I hope you're hungry.
Everybody's gonna eat. Not just me. Too much food, man.
This is in Portuguese.
Fazendo. Fazendo comida.
Everybody specializes on one thing. So he specializes on cutting vegetables, cutting meats. He specializes on washing dishes. Then we have people that specialize on grill, specialize on the prep table.
I think you need a bigger molcajete.
Yeah.
It's time for that one.
We may have a bigger one in Los Tarascos in Skyline.
I saw that one.
Yeah.
I filmed. I'm gonna use.
That's one piece stone.
So yeah, I was just intrigued. How you guys make that with the lava? That's a good question, right? And how you guys make the molcajete?
Martillo.
Okay. So
Look at that. That's a yummy. You ready for this?
then we're gonna put it together. Now this stone's gonna be hot.
Steamy hot. Look at that.
We're gonna put the onion. Can I just go around?
Clean it up a little bit, you know?
We're gonna make the best molcajete ever video.
Now
on
we're
the
missing the
internet.
cheese. Let me get the cheese. I'm just gonna put it right here.
It's your famous molcajete Michoacán.
That's why we put the onion on the bottom. So it'll hold that. That's right.
Congratulations, bravo!
And then you have your tortillas.
And your salsa, you should try it. Let me get you a spoon.
Congratulations, guys, bravo! That's beautiful. Derecho de Michoacán molcajete.
You put the chicken, a little bit of everything. Let's put a cactus. Don't forget the cactus.
Yeah, cactus too.
And then don't forget the salsa. The salsa is what's gonna give the best flavor.
Flavor of the molcajete. Look at that.
And that's how you prepare a taco. And then
I'll try
Enjoy,
this one,
Marcos.
guys. I'll try this one. I'll show you.
We give him 100 or?
Paradise. Paradise.
All right.
Guys, but honestly,
and that's made from scratch. We're not.
Molcajete all the way from scratch. Pollito.
when I saw the dish the first time we filmed, and I told you, we gotta film from scratch.
From scratch.
Show everyone how this amazing dish that you guys prepare. And guys, honestly,
Delicia.
now we're gonna set up the table, right?
Let's set up the table and get ready to eat. So guys, if you like the video, come and try us out. Try our molcajete and see how the taste of Michoacán tastes to you guys. I ask you to follow us on Facebook, on Twitter, and come and try us out. You won't regret it.
Tuscaloosa, Alabama, Northport.
Two locations to better
Two locations to better serve you at your earliest convenience. The sooner the better.
Big family looking after you.
Yes, sir.
You're never gonna be hungry in a place like this.
Of course.
The minute you walk in, you will feel it.
Thank you so much for doing the video, and that's the best way to end a video. Eating molcajete.
Yummy.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Bye.